Let's be real for a second. The headlines around artificial intelligence and our jobs, they can feel pretty overwhelming, right? But what if we could turn all that anxiety into a clear step-by-step plan for your career? Well, that's exactly what we're going to do in the next few minutes. Let's dive in.
Yeah, this is the big one. The question on everyone's mind, the elephant in every single meeting. For years, the story's been that we're all about to become obsolete. And, it's a valid fear, but that story, it's already out of date. The reality is actually way more exciting.
And this slide right here, this is everything. The conversation has completely shifted. We're not talking about replacement anymore, we're talking about augmentation. The future isn't you versus a machine, it's you amplified by a machine. It's a partnership, not a competition.
So let's just reframe this whole thing. Is AI a threat? Or is it maybe the most powerful career partner you've ever had? We're living in a brand new reality, the reality of AI-augmented work. So here's the crucial takeaway. In an AI-augmented career, the technology does the grunt work, the repetitive, data-heavy tasks that eat up your day. And that frees you, the human, to double down on what we do best: high-level strategy, creative thinking, making emotional connections, and solving really messy, complex problems. It's not about AI doing your job. It's about AI doing the boring parts so you can be brilliant at the meaningful parts.
And look, the numbers totally back this up. A Deloitte study found that 73% of companies are putting money into AI to boost their team's productivity, not just to replace them. And check out this stat from LinkedIn, a 300% plus growth in jobs that require AI skills. The market isn't shrinking, it's changing, and it's creating huge opportunities for anyone who's ready to adapt. Okay, so the big question is, how do you adapt? This brings us to the core idea of this whole explainer, building what we're calling a skill bridge. Just think of it as your personal strategic pathway to doing more valuable and, frankly, more future-proof work. A skill bridge is not about starting over from square one, not at all. It's a smart plan to build on the experience you already have. You use new AI tools and new skills to connect where you are right now with all these incredible opportunities that are just over the horizon. You are literally building a bridge from your job today to a more secure and way more interesting future. Let's make this super concrete. Imagine a marketer. They start using AI to automate all their data analysis for campaigns, maybe even draft some initial ad copy. This pulls them out of the daily weeds of execution and frees them up to focus on huge picture brand strategy. Suddenly, their value to the company just skyrockets. Or what about a financial analyst? Instead of spending days buried in spreadsheets, they use AI to process massive data sets in minutes. They build a skill bridge that takes them from just reporting on what happened in the past to actually creating models that predict the future. They become an essential strategic advisor. And this works everywhere. A teacher uses AI to create custom lesson plans for each student and automate grading. This transforms their role from being just a lecturer at the front of the class to being an architect of personalized learning. That means more one-on-one time to actually mentor their students. Now, this stat from McKinsey is fascinating, but it's all in how you read it. 60% of jobs could see about a third of their tasks automated. Now, the old way of thinking sees that and panics. But the new reality? It's a massive opportunity. It's a green light for job transformation for anyone who's willing to build that bridge. Okay, so that's the what and the why. Now for the best part, the how. This is your action plan. This is how you start building your own skill bridge, and you can start today. You've probably seen this quote go viral, and for good reason, it is absolutely true. It just captures the urgency perfectly. The real threat isn't the technology itself. The threat is standing still while everyone around you starts adapting. The good news? You can be that person who uses AI. And getting started has literally never been easier. I mean, world-class education is right at your fingertips. Places like Coursera are amazing for just getting the foundations down. Udemy has incredible courses on practical stuff like prompt engineering. Even Google offers certificates designed to get you job ready. The resources are all there for you. So here's the process. 6 manageable steps. First, just look at your job and identify the parts that AI could make better. Second, pick 1 or 2 tools and decide to master them. Third, invest in a real structured course. Fourth, and this one is so important, build a small project to prove you have the skill. Fifth, update your LinkedIn, update your resume. And finally, jump into some AI communities online to keep learning. It's a clear path. You can do this. All right, let's zoom out one last time and look at the future. This journey isn't just about surviving a tech shift. It's about thriving in a world where your uniquely human skills become more valuable than they've ever been before. As AI takes over all the computation, your value just skyrockets in these areas. An AI can't innovate on a blank canvas. It can't show real empathy to a client. It can't solve a problem no one's ever seen before, and it can't make a tough judgment call when the data is messy. These are the forever human skills. And this all leads to this amazing idea called symbiotic intelligence. It's a future where our human creativity and our wisdom combine perfectly with AI's incredible processing power. Each part, the human and the machine, makes the other exponentially better. It means we can achieve things that neither of us could ever do alone. The professionals who are going to look back in 5 years and be amazed at how far they've come are the ones who start building today. The question isn't whether AI will change your job, it will. The only real question is this: where will your skill bridge take you? If this helped you plan your next step, let us know in the comments. And for more weekly stories about career development, make sure you subscribe to the Dreamsoft Technologies Canada channel and come join our WhatsApp channel family. Like this explainer and definitely check out the links in the description for free online courses, job updates, and so much more.